Here are the tools we need: an approved waste oil drain pan, a filter wrench, a combination wrench or socket set, and rubber gloves. Here is your oil drain plug, located toward the front of the engine. Using a wrench, loosen the plug, then turn it out by hand. Let the oil drain into the oil drain pan below. If the engine is cold, it helps if you run it for about 5 minutes to warm the oil in order for it to drain faster. After all the oil is drained out, start the plug back in by hand, then use your wrench to tighten it up. If you don't have a gasket on your drain plug, or if you have one that is damaged or corroding, you need to put a new one on. Wipe off any oil that may be dripping off. The oil filter is located right in front of the oil pan. We recommend using an oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter because it will give you equal tension all the way around the filter. Reach up and turn the filter out. Make sure your oil drain pan is positioned below to catch the oil that will drain out. Also, wipe the oil off the frame. Rub a little fresh oil around the top of the new oil filter. Screw it in just so that the gasket contacts the base and give it one full turn. Don't use the oil filter wrench to tighten the filter. Now this is where we refill the engine oil. Remove the oil cap and put it someplace safe so that you don't lose it. Refer to your owner's manual and it will tell you just how much and what grade of oil to use. Be sure to put the cap back on and make sure it's snug. Go ahead and start the car and run it until the oil light goes off. When it does, turn the car off and it's time to check your oil. The dipstick is located to the right of the oil cap. Pull the dipstick out, wipe the oil off, reinsert it, pull it back out, and read the oil level. The oil reading should be somewhere between add and full.